Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making Christmas cake and I'm using white rum, vanilla, salt, margarine, cherries, mixed fruit, currants, raisins, prunes, eggs, all-purpose flour, dark sugar, red wine, baking powder, orange rind, browning, mixed spice, lime juice, cinnamon powder, and almond flavoring. I've placed all of my dry ingredients in a bowl and I'm going to use a whisk to mix them thoroughly. And then I'm going to set that aside. In a separate bowl, I'm going to place 8 ounces of margarine and I'm going to add 1.5 cups of dark sugar to that. I'm going to use a hand mixer to cream the sugar and margarine well. Once that process has been completed, then I'm going to add the browning. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of browning, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon almond flavoring, 2 teaspoons fresh lime juice, and 1 teaspoon orange rind, and I'm going to mix that well. Then I'm going to add the eggs. I'm going to add the eggs one at a time and I'm going to beat each well before I add the other. Once that process is finished, then I'm going to pour that in a larger bowl and then I'm going to add the pureed fruits to that. I'm going to combine those together. Then I'm going to add the dry ingredients. I'm going to add the dry ingredients in 2 parts and I'm going to cut and fold that into the wet ingredients. Once I'm satisfied that my consistency is good, then I'll proceed. However, I like to have my cake moist, so I'm going to add 1 cup of fruit juice to that. I'm going to combine it together and then I'm going to pour that into 3 6-inch baking tins that have been greased and lined. This recipe yields 3 6-inch cakes and I'm going to place those in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours on the top rack. To keep the cake moist, I'm going to place a pan of water on a lower rack. Then I'm going to test the cake to see if it's done using a skewer. It comes out clean, so it means that the cake has been baked and it is now ready to be served. It can be eaten with soy drink or it can be used as a dessert with ice cream. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Dr. Baillie. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.